It's CALLI. Looking good and I've been feeling amazing. Ayy, yeah, ayy. Looking good and I've been feeling amazing. Pound for pound, I hustle till I'm the greatest.
What up, YouTube? It's CALLI. Today I'm going to react to Scru Gene and Easy Mill, Righteous and Ratchet. And if you guys are new to the channel, I've been reacting to a lot of Easy Mill. And I'm fairly new to Scru Gene. I've heard of his reactions. I didn't know he made music like that, so get me hip to some of the songs. If you're new to the channel, my name's CALLI. I'm a rapper who likes to react to all the trending videos and upcoming artists. I actually just dropped a song today called Immortal, and it's a lyric video, so I'll leave a little preview right here.
It's CALLI. The sky was bright, the lightning strikes. They see the unidentified flying lights. The time is right for moon on a silent night. Travel to your planet when I'm finding life. Then I'm taking over, take control of the radio stations. I make the motions cause a supernova star explosion. Cook a crack in the lab, no baking soda. I'm a rap god, I couldn't even think of my blast job. Blast off, watching my competition get hacked off. Bad thoughts going through my brain if they back talk. You got something to say, then I'm bringing
With that, like, comment, and smash the subscribe because I'm on the road to 10K. Alright, let's jump into this.
Oh, time to get to it.
Is that his reaction
Let's
setup?
get right to the...
This is how it went down?
Hello?
Hey, what up, guy?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh, yeah. It's about that time.
It's about that time.
It's about that time.
You already know, man. Let's go.
The vibes already sound crazy with this beat.
I came from the sand of a holy land. Never stand you could die for an open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I Rose stand. And we think it's a Tony fan, like OnlyFans.
Like Axel at Rosa Stan.
Thoughts in the short cannon, righteous in the broken land. All that chicken and all that chat. We can be right to rest. Bitches be talking, them bitches be capping. We can be right to rest. Hey, hey.
That dude makes
I came from the bottom of people on the storm. We can be right to rest. So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. The fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it.
Man, that flow change, how he just came in with that beat too. They got all that.
All back, but you know I came from all scraps. I came from humble beginnings until I'm fucking I'm winning. The mental ain't full of sex. I got a ton full of venom. I'm in the village, but I run around with it. Face the general, he's a fucking lieutenant. Get it? Similar situation, I'm killing in your
He said, and he's the fucking lieutenant, and then they pass it off to him. Come on, man. This flow switch sounds dope already. Hey. He turned that last bar almost into like little dance two-step freaking hook. Everything just merged well right there. It's funny because Screwface, you could tell he got that deep voice, and he still sounds more fluent than a mumble rapper nowadays. Like, and I don't know how deep he is in the music, but he's nice, man. He's nice. I like Easy Mill's verse on this as well. Man, you hear that build up in the beat, the emphasis on the bass. It's just wild that I feel like he always gets an epic part of the beat and he feeds off it and he kills every little syllable goes to the beat change. So man, hats off to Easy Mill, that's dope.
Somebody in God instead of a foe. They think of Medusa is set in stone. There's some things that the Reverend don't know. I know some chicks that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house and I'll go in the bed where the Pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team. Gotta stick them with a semi, they pro. Like a mafia, eat a lobster with pasta.
Like a hockey scene, gotta stick in the semi-pro.
To stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my bodyguard, Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my partner.
That's the body of a Kevin Costner. That chit chat doesn't. Hey, you got the keyboard in the car? Let's go. Make a beat on the go. Hey. Man, that song was trippy. You guys messing with that? What's the next song I should react to? Some more Easy Mill? Some Screwface? Comment below. Hope to see you at the next one. Peace.
It's Calli. Sometimes I'm wondering where the days go. Sometimes I'm hungry, I'm getting paid slow. Sometimes I can't.